Hey, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Narcotics Anonymous Primary Purpose Group out of Kamloops, British Columbia, Canada. My name is Ben, and I am an addict. I'm going to be reading from the Grey Book Reflections for May 14th, 2021. The mind signals drugs when the body may actually be asking for vitamins, food, rest, or companionship. So we need daily H.A.L.T.S maintenance. Grey Book, page 36 to 37, step 2, lines 35 to 1. Our first step deals with the physical aspect of our disease. The first thing we do in this program is stop using drugs. Complete and total abstinence is needed for recovery in Narcotics Anonymous. Many of us neglected our basic needs while using. For some of us, our diet was unbalanced. Our bodies didn't get the exercise it needed, and many of us didn't replace the nutrients that the drugs took away. Our mental and spiritual health were also negatively affected, to say the least. Our answer to all of our problems was using more drugs. Years of drug usage caused a lot of damage. It'll take years of abstinence to get healthy again. As we get clean, we have to get in touch not only with our emotions, but with our physical selves as well. When we're feeling in rare form, the first thing we do is practice H.A.L.T.S. Don't get too hungry, angry, lonely, tired, and don't take yourself too seriously. With these spot checks, we can avoid extra grief we can bring to ourselves. It can also help us practice the spiritual principles we've learned so far to make us better people. Recovery is about self-care. It's about having a healthy balance in our lives. Recovery is also about building healthy relationships with people, places, and things. One of our members wrote that spirituality is the right relationship with reality. When we were using, we weren't functioning in reality. We can build healthy relationships with reality. When taking the first step, we learn to have a relationship with honesty. Next, we start to take care of our physical needs. We get proper rest and begin to have a balanced diet. Some of us get a physical from our doctors. All this contributes to our recovery and health. In this moment, through NA, we will ask our higher power for help so our basic needs will be met.